Hey guys, it is me again. No, the world's not stopped turning. I'm not getting the Project Serve Him More video in this early. Still be another couple hours before I do that, guys. I just want to make this video to get some help from you all. I know there's a lot of you guys out there that watch my videos that maybe you're not computer geniuses or do computer stuff for a living, but you're a lot smarter at computers than me. And I'm asking you guys for some help. Anybody that can help me, please help me. Okay, let me tell you my problem. On my computer here, on my desktop, about a week ago, right at a week ago now, I guess, I ran a program. It's Brother Woody gave me the link to it. It's called the I don't know, Puriform makes it. It's some kind of cleaner. It cleans your computer, and I've used it before and didn't have any problem. But I used it this time, and after I used the cleaner part of it, I was looking through it, and it had a place on there that said registry. So I clicked on that, and it basically said there that it would check your registry to see if you had any errors, anything wrong, and it would fix them. So I said, shoot, yeah, I probably do got some kind of errors, I don't even fully know what the registry is. So anyway, I clicked on it and let it come up and said there were so many different problems, and that it could fix them. So I clicked OK. And then it come up and, it said that there was basically the way it was talking, that it was going to delete these errors, but that it was going to save them in this, file, and I could save them in my documents. So I did. I saved it. Well, ever since I've done that, guys, when I try to watch YouTube videos, when I turn a video on, you know how when you pull a video up, it'll start playing, and it buffers. You know how you've got the gray on the Adobe, what is it? The Adobe Flash Player, I think is what it is what it uses. You've got the gray bar that comes out and buffers ahead of what you're watching. And you can stop the video and watch, let it buffer for a few minutes. That way, it don't have to stop while you're watching it. Ever since I've done that to this computer, guys, and cleaned that registry or whatever it done, it won't buffer now. For me to watch videos, I have to just hit play and let it play. And luckily, I've got a 6 meg internet connection, which I know that's not very big compared to some of you guys in closer to these cities, but for around here, it's pretty good. I actually run about 4.5 is what I actually run, though. My internet connection most of the time is fast enough to keep up with it, so it just plays straight through and don't have to buffer. But if my internet slows down or anything, the videos stop because it's not buffering. It just won't buffer a video. I don't know why, guys. I've restored the computer. I restored it back to like 3 weeks ago or a month ago or whatever. I've restored it twice. That didn't help. I have downloaded and reinstalled the Adobe Flash Player. I figured maybe there was something wrong with it. That didn't help. Now this is using Mozilla Firefox. I can actually use Internet Explorer on the same computer now. Just, you pull up on Internet Explorer, go to YouTube, pull a video up, same Adobe Flash Player, it says it right on it, and it will buffer. It works. Just on Mozilla Firefox it don't. So I said, well, maybe I've got a problem with Firefox. So this evening, I downloaded Firefox again. I just went to their website, clicked download, and downloaded it again. Now, I didn't uninstall the old one first and then do this. When I just, installed it again, I figured basically it would just wipe the old one out and rewrite it with a new one. So what I'm asking you guys is help. What's wrong? What have I done? Like I said, I've reinstalled Firefox. Do I need to take it completely off, then install it? Because, like I said, on Internet Explorer, it works. I've reinstalled the Adobe Flash Player. That don't help. Something else. I went to my documents, and it's got the document there for these registry values that it deleted. Well, when I double click on those, it will actually pop up there and ask me, do you want to add these registry, whatever they are, registry something it calls them, registry files maybe, back to the registry. And I click yes, because I said, well, I want to put back whatever I did wrong. It pops up and it says, okay, you know, these files are back on the registry. But that don't help anything. That don't help. I've done that 4 or 5 times. Like I said, guys, I've done everything I know to do. I have restored the computer to an earlier, you know, time before I've done this. I've downloaded Firefox again. I don't know why I'm having trouble saying that tonight. I've downloaded the Adobe Flash Player again. I've done everything I know to do, and it don't help. I can go right over here to my laptop, as you see laying on the bed, pull up Mozilla Firefox, go to YouTube using the same Flash Player, and it buffers it. You know, the gray bar goes right across. So anyway, guys, if any of you can help me, you know, I don't know what to do. Like I said, I've done everything I know to do. And it's driving me crazy because it's not allowing me to watch my YouTube videos good. If any little thing happens that dips my internet connection, or if I'm doing anything like that, it won't let me watch a video because, you know, it just can't keep up with it fast enough. It won't buffer the video. So anyway, if you all can help me in any way, let me know. Message me. Comment on this video. Do whatever you need to do, guys. But I need some help on this. So anyway, guys, thanks, and I'll see you. I'll see you in a little bit. Good night. God bless.